We're here in Collegetown Center. We're in about the middle of the hallway. I wanted to show you the position of this apartment. We're going into unit 503. This is a south angle style apartment, so this is an upgrade. And we've got the cabinets. The kitchen is the same as the other apartments. You'll have that refrigerator, sink and dishwasher, microwave, stove and oven, cabinets and drawers. So it's a nice kitchen for one person. You've got that wall space over here on our left that works out well for a small bookshelf or a small narrow table, trash can, a shelf for your shoes. And as we go into the apartment, the closet is on our right. It's a nice size closet. It's pretty wide. So you've got your hanging space. So good closet space and storage space here in the unit. Let's go on in. You can see the furnishings that come with. There's the dining table and chair, the full-size bed, and we have the desk and chair, that tall bookshelf, and the dresser. Let's go on over to the window and we can see this upgrade feature, this angle style window. Again, we're on the south side. The south is generally the brighter side of the building. And you can see we've got a nice bright window set up here, and over to the left you can see over towards College Avenue. You can see part of the parking lot down below. It's nice if you choose a parking space on the main part where you can see your car if you're on the side of the building. Parking is an extra additional lease. And over to our right is the southwest view. So we've got that beautiful valley view out that way. And let's go on over and take a look at the bathrooms. So the same bathroom we've seen in the other apartments, but just so you can see, there's the tub shower with a sliding door. There's the sink and vanity, the toilet, and there's a small mirrored cabinet. So that's a look at apartment 503. We're in a south angle unit style apartment here on the 5th floor of this 6th floor building. We're located at 151 Dryden Road at the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, and from there we're just one block to campus.